guys, so this is Patty. So well, here I am. You see this look. This is the look that I did for you guys. I don't know yet what it's gonna be called. Maybe the blues. Why not? Like, I'm wearing all blue, so the blues. But yeah, this is the look for you guys. Hope you will enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, so I'm starting off this look by priming my face with my Boscia primer, and then I will set it with my Fenty Universal setting powder, if we can say that. And the foundation that I'm using is the Dior, I think it's called Dior Skin Forever. I'm not really sure. It will be down below in the description box, and it is in the shade 5N. I really love this foundation. I love the way it smells. I love the way it applies. I love everything. So yeah, and then I'm just blending that in as you see me do right now. Enjoy that part. Then I'm going in with concealer because we gotta conceal them bags. You know, the only bags we should be getting is in the bank account. So yeah, I'm using my concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Medium Beige. So I'm putting that everywhere that I normally do it. I mean, it's really just a routine. At this point, just watch me do it, and then you try and do it. To set my concealer in place, I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder, and it is in the shade Blondie. That is another, honestly, it's a really good setting powder. I just really like it. I also like the smell of it. You know what I'm saying? It smells so good. It's not too white. It's not too, like, there's no flashback. That's what I like about this powder. So yeah, and it lasts long, you know. For my eyebrows, I'm using the usual NYX Espresso brow pencil, if that's how you call it. So yeah, but I didn't really do my whole brow. Okay, so now it's time for the eyes. So the first shade I'm using is Cola from the um, James Charles and Morphe palette. So I'm just placing that all over the lid. This is basically the base color. It's a really nice blue. So yeah, that is the first shade. Then on top of that color, I'm taking the Masquerade palette, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm taking the shade Dalia. I'm just placing that at the same place that I placed the intense blue before. I'm just going to make sure of the palette name. So yeah, it's the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. Yeah, and then for the yellow shade that I'm just placing in the crease, it's again from the James Charles and Morphe palette, but this color is called B, probably for Queen Bee. That's what I think. But yeah, this look is really simple, you know, nothing complicated. Everybody can do it. I just wanted to do something that I never done before, like combine colors that I never combined before. So that's what happened in this video. And also I wanted to say, guys, blending is key, you know, like I really took my time on these eyes. And yeah, even though my time, there could have been things that could have been better, so just take your time and blend a lot. That's all I'm gonna add to this. Okay, so for contour, I'm using my Fenty Beauty. It's actually a bronzer, but I use it as a contour, I guess. So yeah, it's this Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I use the shade Coco Naughty, cause she Coco, and she definitely naughty. No, I'm just joking. For real, I'm all jokes. I'm just joking, guys. I love to jokes. That's my middle name's Jokester. So yeah, I'm just applying that everywhere that I would normally contour, and also I'm blending that in with all the highlighted places. Instead of using like a regular foundation powder, I just use my bronzer slash contour. I always done that. I prefer that actually. So I'm just spraying my face with my NYX Setting Spray, and then the highlight that I'm applying is again the Amrezy times Anastasia Beverly here highlighter. That is my go-to. Just like the highlight. Oh, I said eyeliner. I meant highlights. So yeah, I'm just placing that everywhere you see me place it. It's just such a nice color. So this is the other side, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. Yes, like this is the end of the day. Like when I do my makeup, I'm always rushed. I needed to go work, you know. A sis had to go get that bag. So this is the end of the day. The makeup is oily, you know. I'm an oily girl, oily person, so at the end of the day my makeup is oily, but I'm still cute, so that's okay. I will try next time to do it all at once. Let's pray to Jesus for that. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before, well, clicking out of this video. And yeah, make sure you also check out our other videos, because we have a lot now, you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
What else?